Here is the app called Genora AI chatbot and search smart assistant for all tasks. Genora AI smarter search, seamless productivity. Meet Genora AI, the next generation AI assistant that seamlessly combines conversational intelligence with real-time search, empowering you to work, learn, and create like never before. Whether you need instant answers, content generation, or in-depth research, Genora AI delivers clear, reliable, and visually enriched information tailored to your needs. You can use between different smartest models, natural human-like conversation, AI vision, smart image and document analysis, unlimited access to all features, and then you can just tap get to install it. So just double click to install it. And then AI chatbot, ask anything, get smart AI response and generate stunning AI images. Browse the web, use AI, summarize any document, summarize any video even from YouTube. Let's just open it up. So free trial, and then there's yearly access. So how much is that? Let me show you. $40 per year. And then free trial only on a weekly plan, $7 per week. And then here you have this how it looks like. Web search, all kinds of assistants, summarizers, notes digitizers. And then you can then just select smart mode in here. So this is just how it looks like. You can then just attach some files. You can then just get user ID, and then you can add history. And then you just have all kinds of tools, note taker, image generator. You can create your soulmate, oil painting. I don't know whether it's possible. Yeah, it seems it's doing that even for free. So something like that. I mean, probably it's a cheaper model for free. So that's just signature creator, doc scanner, calculate colors, identify art objects, and also here you have 3 credits for free already. They don't have any invite codes though. So yeah, that's basically the app.